Hey AI, what should I do about that blob on the floor? Don't worry, it is not a virus, I guarantee you.
That's what the computer says, but is it lying?
Push 6?
Yes.
You're watching the Jesus Show. Alright, so what are we going to do when we get to the... On our way to rescue the elevator operator. Whoa!
So it was between the 4th and 5th floors?
Third and fourth. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Knock, knock.
He said between the 3rd and 4th?
That's what he said. I'll call him right back right now.
Yeah, Joe.
Hey, so I'm hearing between the 3rd and the 4th floor. I don't hear anybody inside the elevator. Does he know if he's on the 6th floor or 5th floor?
He's between 4th and 5th, actually.
Oh, he's between 4th and 5th? Okay, let me go. Okay. And so, all right, hold on. I keep knocking on the elevator, but I'm hearing you. Hold on.
That's what I have to get so he knows.
Yeah.
Hello?
Can't, hello? Hello?
He's there. Thank you.
Yeah.
Let me call him. Because he's there, but...
Do you want me to go to the roof and do something?
Yeah, if you can just go like this, turn off the elevator for like 5 seconds, turn it back on. He said.
So,
10 seconds.
okay, so go to the roof and then how do
You
I?
have the key. You have the key to go.
Yeah.
To open the. You have the key.
Yeah.
Best door.
Does that key open up the elevator? Does that
That's
key?
open down the door.
Okay. All right, I'm going up there right now. Roof. And I'm heading to the elevator passenger room here. Okay. And you said this door is open?
Yeah.
All right, we're going in. Let's see. Oh shit, it's locked. All right, let me see. Let me see if this key opens it. Okay, I'm in. Okay, I got it. I'm inside. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm inside.
So you can lower one. I think it's some kind of breaker up there that you can just pick up everything.
Okay. Okay, I'm looking. It looks like it's stuck on 4. Is what the LED says. Okay, I'm looking for a power switch. Let's see. There's so many things here. Okay, let me see.
The right side, you can have some kind of like red thing that you can put it down and turn everything off.
Okay, right side. Okay, right side.
Or if you can open the box, the big box.
Yeah, the box is open. Oh, hold on, let me see. Yeah, the box is open.
That was something there.
Okay, I see. I mean, okay, I see like a big mainline disconnect switch on the right. On
Put it
the
down. Put it down.
the big one says mainline disconnect. It's like a big box, gray box.
Yeah. Yeah, put it down. That one. That's it.
And then put it back up.
You can put like 10 seconds off and then put it back.
Okay, here we go. Okay, okay.
You can put like 10, 15 seconds.
Okay, yep. Let me wait.
Is everything off?
Yeah, I'm looking inside the gray box. Everything is off. All right, now I'm gonna put the main line connect back on. Okay, it sounded like the elevator motor just kicked on, and I see the LED inside the control boxes have all come on. Okay, it says car is at the 5th floor. All right, let me go.
I think it should be running.
So will it automatically go down to the ground floor?
No, it depends on it. He was trying to come up, so probably he's going to go.
Okay. Yeah, the LED says door closed, car is at 5. So it looks like it's on the 5th floor. All right, let me go. I guess let me go now and check.
I'm going to go to that one.
Okay, yeah, no problem. Okay, yeah, no problem. Oh, shit.
What happened?
My key inside? What's that? Are you still inside the elevator? Turn it off? Okay, I turned it off. Okay. You're outside? Okay. Do you want me to turn the power on or no? Okay. book.